Kicking off a branding and digital project in the right direction is crucial for the success of the project. I think you've got that, didn't you? Now for that, we need to have the right tools and the right understanding of the bigger picture of brand experience design. How do we design experiences across all digital touchpoints in the way that drives qualified leads for the brand? Because that's the end goal, right? So we need to learn how to be strategic and how to steer all the design, content, and development efforts towards this direction, towards this goal. Now, for the tools part, I've got you already covered with the brand strategy kit, so I won't go there. But for this bigger understanding of brand experience design, I'd like to go a bit deeper with you. So I'm doing a webinar and I'm inviting you to come along. I'll give you the big picture, the bigger framework for how to design these experiences in the way that drives qualified leads for the brand. We'll keep it short, we'll keep it to the point, and we'll have some fun along the way. Join me, all the details are below, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.